Hi, welcome to the mathcenter.com. In this video, we are going to look at an SPM exam question, additional maths, okay, mathematic tambahan, SPM 2015. The question is here. We'll read the question and then go through the solution slowly. Okay, so please give this video a like and share this video as much as you can. Please follow me on Facebook and YouTube. Okay, let's start. We have a particle moves along a straight line and passes through a fixed point O. Its velocity v is given by this expression here. T is the time in seconds after passing O. And we are asked to assume motion to the right is positive. That's a pretty standard assumption. Okay, let's mark O here. And we have t equals to 0. Let's see, v equals to 10 plus 3t minus t squared. So when t is 0, v is 10. So we know it's moving to the right. Yeah. So to t is 0, v equals to 10 and it's moving to the right. Remember, we are assuming motion to the right as positive. Okay, in part A, we are asked to find the initial velocity of the particle. We've already done it here. Initial velocity means what? What is v when t is 0? We've done that already here, 10 meters per second. And then the value of t in part B, when the particle stops instantaneously. What's the concept here? Instantaneous rest, v equals to 0. So let's write 10 plus 3t minus t squared equals to 0, which is the same as t squared minus 3t minus 10 equals to 0. So we can write t, let's factorize it. Okay, and then I have a 5 and a 2 here. Okay, let's factorize it. I have a t minus 5 times t plus 2. Therefore, t can't be negative, so t equals to 5 seconds. So correct response or correct answer for B will be 5 seconds. Okay, then we're looking at C, the maximum velocity of the particle. Maximum velocity is when the acceleration is 0. Let's do it here. Yeah, acceleration will be dv dt, and that will be 3 minus 2t. How do I get this? Just differentiate this, yeah? V equals to 10 plus 3t minus t squared. You can differentiate, you'll get 3 minus 2t. And maximum velocity, acceleration is 0. So 3 minus 2t equal to 0. Therefore, t equals to 3 over 2 seconds. So you have to find the value of v when t equals to 3 over 2. Just plug in, yeah? Just plug it in. So that will be 10 plus 3 times 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2 squared. And you can get an answer which will be 49 over 4 meters per second, yeah? I worked it out for you here. Okay, just plug in the value of 3 over 2 and you will get 49 over 4 meters per second as your maximum velocity. Okay, and then you are asked to find in part D the total distance in meter traveled by the particle in the first 8 seconds. A couple of ways to handle this by drawing graphs and all. Let's use the method which is called tracking. Yeah. So this is t equals to 0 and we know this guy is moving to the right. Okay, and we know at t equals to 5, okay, remember t equals to 5 here, it stops instantaneously. So here will be t equals to 5. So it goes here and takes a turn, yeah. And we are looking for the total distance traveled in the first 8 seconds. So let's say here is t equals to 8. Okay, so we're looking for this distance plus this distance. Okay, not so bad. So again, you're moving from here at t equals to 5, take a turn, and now at t equals to 8 you are here. So we want to find the total distance traveled, this distance plus this distance. So to find distance, you need to find s, which is the integral of, okay, v dt. Yeah, so that will be, let me write it here. We are integrating, what was the function again? 10 plus 3t minus t squared. Yeah, we are going to integrate this with respect to t, and what we will get will be 10t plus 3 over 2t minus t cubed over 3. That's my s. Now there's a c here. Okay, let me write, there's a plus c here, but when t equals to 0, s is 0, therefore c equals to 0. I didn't write it in this line. Okay, so now you know what is the displacement: 10t plus 3 over 2t minus t cubed over 3. Okay, so what do we have to do next? Well, you know s, let me write it here again. Yeah, 10t plus 3 over 2 t squared minus 1 over 3 t cubed. So find s when t equals to 5, then find s when t equals to 8. So I've done that for you here. Use a calculator. So t equals to 5, s equals to this amount. Okay, when t equals to 8, just plug in 8 in your s function. You'll get this value here. So, okay, so this number here is, what's the value again? 45 and 5/6. The value of s here is 5 and 1/3. So your total distance will be, this whole distance here is 45 and 5/6 plus, what's this distance here? That will be 45 and 5/6 minus 5 and 1/3. Use a calculator and you'll get your answer. I've done that here for you. Okay, here you see 45 and 5/6 plus that difference, you will get 86 and 1/3 meter, and we are done. So thank you for watching. Please give this video a like, share this video as much as you can, and please follow me on Facebook and YouTube. Thank you.